We're going to evaluate the limit as x approaches 4 of cosine of x minus cosine of 4 divided by the square root of x minus 2. If we plug in 4 for x, we see that we end up with 0 over 0 and indeterminate form. There are several ways to evaluate this limit, but at this point in the study of calculus, it can only be done in one way, and we're going to need the following two results to evaluate it. First result is a trig identity, which says cosine of alpha minus cosine of beta is equal to minus 2 sine of alpha plus beta over 2 times sine of alpha minus beta divided by 2. And then the result number 2 is the limit y approaches 0 of sine y divided by y equals 1. Notice that the numerator here fits cosine alpha minus cosine beta, with alpha being x and beta being 4. So we'll first use that substitution, and the limit becomes limit as x approaches 4, and we have minus 2 times sine of x plus 4 over 2 times sine of x minus 4 divided by 2 divided by square root of x minus 2. Now we still get 0 over 0. We try to plug in 4 for x. So next we are going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of square root of x minus 2, which is square root of x plus 2 over square root of x plus 2. And the resulting limit now looks like this. We have the limit x approaches 4 minus 2 sine x plus 4 over 2 times sine of x minus 4 over 2 times square root of x plus 2, and in the denominator square root of x minus 2 times square root of x plus 2 is x minus 4. The next thing we're going to need, we'll take the x minus 4 in the denominator and divide it by 2 and multiply it by 2. So the problem has not changed. We can now take this 2 and cancel with the 2 in the numerator, and let's rewrite this as the following. So I'll keep this up so we can see that. We have a minus in front. We have a limit x approaches 4. We'll take sine x plus 4 over 2 times the square root of x plus 2. We'll take those out, times another limit. The second limit is whatever is left. This is x approaches 4, and what we have left is sine of x minus 4 over 2 divided by x minus 4 over 2. Now for the second limit, we'll make the following substitution. Let y equal to x minus 4 over 2. Note that as x approaches 4, y approaches 0. So I'm going to rewrite what we have. The first limit we don't need to rewrite. It's very easy to evaluate. Limit as x approaches 4, sine of x plus 4 over 2 times the square root of x plus 2, and the second limit now looks like this. Limit y approaches 0, sine of y over y. Now the second limit is 1. Limit as y goes to 0 of sine y over y is 1. In the first limit we can just plug in 4 for x and we'll get a number. We don't get an indeterminate form, and that would be our limit. So we have a minus in front. Plugging in 4 for x, 4 plus 4 is 8 divided by 2. That gives us sine of 4. And then square root of 4 is 2 plus 2 is also 4. So this is minus sine 4 times 1. And the final answer is minus 4 times sine of 4. For more videos, visit www.mathprepvideos.com.